Water. There you go. Here's your water. You do a pretty good job. You got to tip it up more. Oh, there it goes. What did you do? Is there water on the floor and on your leg? What are you going to do now? You want Mama to give you more water? You want more? You want more water? Goofy. Here, give Mama the glass. I'll get you more. Your sister help you? Let's get her some more. There you go. There's more water in there. You have got the messiest face. Oh, Annie, you are just priceless. What did you do? Annabelle, what did you do? What did you do? Did you spill it?